Most people see the inbox $5 sign-up bonus and think it's instant free money. Then they download the app, click around for 20 minutes, and wonder why nothing happened. Here's the truth no one tells you. Getting the bonus is easy if you follow the right steps. But missing one small detail can delay everything. In this video I'll show you exactly how to get the inbox $5 sign-up bonus fast in 2026, what mistakes to avoid, how long it usually takes to appear, and the fastest way to actually cash out afterward. And later, I'll show you why most users never even reach their first payout, despite getting the bonus. Let's start with the main thing immediately. The inbox sign-up bonus is usually tied to creating a new verified account and completing a qualifying activity. In many cases, simply registering is not enough anymore. That's where beginners get confused. They expect the $5 instantly after downloading the app. But the platform often requires account verification, email confirmation, or initial activity completion before the bonus fully activates. So here's the fastest setup process. First, create a brand new account using a valid email address you actually check regularly. Second, verify your email immediately after registration. Third, complete your profile honestly and fully. And fourth, complete one of the recommended starter activities inside the app. Simple process. Huge difference. But here's the problem. Most people rush through setup carelessly. Jake creates an account with an old email address he barely uses. He skips profile details, ignores verification emails, and later wonders why the bonus isn't showing correctly. Meanwhile, Alex completes setup properly in 5 minutes and gets credit smoothly. This is where most people fail. They ignore instructions because they think rewards apps are automatic. Now here's where it gets interesting. Inbox makes money by connecting advertisers with users. That means advertisers want real engagement, not fake accounts. So the platform tracks verification carefully. That's why duplicate accounts, fake information, or suspicious activity can block bonuses entirely. In a minute, I'll show you the fastest path from bonus to actual cash out. But first, let's talk about timing. How long does the bonus take to appear? In many cases, users see bonus credit shortly after completing setup requirements. Sometimes it's nearly instant. Other times it can take several hours depending on account review and activity tracking. And honestly, this next part matters more than people expect. The bonus alone is usually not enough to cash out. This is where expectations crash. Inbox typically requires users to hit a minimum threshold before withdrawal. So the real strategy is combining the sign-up bonus with fast beginner tasks to reach payout quickly. Now let's talk about the smartest beginner activities. Surveys are the obvious option, but they're not always the best. This is where experienced users think differently. Instead of grinding low-paying surveys non-stop, they target higher-value activities first. Things like app downloads, promotional offers, cashback shopping, and selective gaming tasks often produce faster progress. For example, John spends 2 hours answering surveys for tiny rewards. Another user completes one app promotion worth significantly more in less time. Same platform. Totally different outcome. Now here's the catch. Some offers require careful reading. This is where most users lose money or time. A promotional task might require maintaining a subscription for a certain period, making a deposit, or reaching a game milestone. If you ignore the details, you may never receive credit. That's why screenshots matter. Always document offer requirements before starting. Simple habit. Major protection. Now, let's answer another huge question. Is the inbox sign-up bonus actually legit? Generally, yes. Inbox has been around for years and has paid many users through gift cards, PayPal, and other rewards. But here's the truth nobody likes hearing. The platform works best for people with realistic expectations. This is not life-changing income. It's extra spending money. That mindset changes everything. Now here's where it gets interesting again. The fastest users reaching payout usually avoid one major mistake. They don't waste time chasing every tiny offer. Instead, they calculate effort versus reward constantly. A 50-cent survey taking 25 minutes is usually terrible value. A higher-paying app sign-up completed quickly may be far smarter. Efficiency beats activity. Always. Now let's talk about the actual withdrawal process after earning enough. Inbox Dollars usually processes payouts through methods like PayPal or gift cards depending on region and availability. Processing times vary, but many users receive rewards within several business days after redemption. But here's the problem. Some beginners think the app is broken because they ignore verification emails or redemption instructions. Again, details matter. Check spam folders. Verify payment information carefully. Use accurate account details from the beginning. Now in a minute, I'll give you the fastest realistic path from sign up to cash out in 2026. But first, there's another important thing you need to know. Not all users see identical offers. Your location, age range, and demographic profile influence available tasks heavily. That's why earnings vary dramatically between users. Some people qualify for premium surveys constantly. Others barely see them. That's normal for rewards platforms. So here's the smartest beginner strategy. First, claim the sign-up bonus correctly through proper verification. Second, complete one or two higher-paying starter offers instead of endless low-value surveys. Third, avoid spending money unless the reward clearly outweighs the cost. Fourth, check the app daily for fresh opportunities. And fifth, cash out consistently instead of letting large balances sit too long. Simple strategy, much smoother experience. Now, let's answer the core question directly. How do you get the Inbox Dollars $5 sign-up bonus fast in 2026? Create a legitimate new account, verify everything immediately, complete qualifying beginner activities carefully, and avoid suspicious or rushed behavior. That's really it. The process itself isn't difficult. Most problems come from users skipping instructions or expecting instant cash with zero effort. And honestly, that's true across almost every rewards app online. So if you decide to try Inbox Dollars, focus on efficiency, not hype. Use the sign-up bonus as a starting boost, not the final goal. Because the real key is reaching profitable offers quickly. If this video helped you understand how the Inbox Dollars sign-up bonus actually works, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with the first rewards app you ever used. And if you want more honest breakdowns of money apps and side hustles in 2026, check out the next video right now.